Three children shared a basket of mangoes in such a way that the first child took 1/4 of the mangoes and the second 3/4 of the remainder. What fraction of the mangoes did the third child take? Solution. Now, we can use any whole number for the total amount of mangoes for all the mangoes in the basket. So let's use 1. You can use 1, you can use 2, but it's always good to use 1. It's ideal to use 1 because a whole is 1. So let the whole mangoes or all the mangoes be 1. Okay, be 1. So the whole mango now is 1. Now, first child takes 1/4 of the mangoes. The first child takes 1/4 of the mangoes. So if for the whole mangoes, you can use any whole number like I said. So let's look at what the first child takes. So, and we'll look at what remains after that. So first child takes 1/4 of the mangoes, 4 of the mangoes, and the remainder will be equals to 1 minus 1/4, because the first child took 1/4 of the mangoes. The first child took 1/4 of the mangoes. And this is equals to, if you subtract this, 1 minus 1/4, you will have 3/4. That is what is remaining after the first child have taken 1/4. That is the fraction remaining. After the first child have taken 1/4 of the mangoes, the remaining of mango in fraction is 3/4. 3/4 is what is remaining. Now let's go over to the second child. So second child takes 3/4 of the remainder. This is the remainder. This is what is remaining. 3/4 of 3/4. That is what is remaining. So the second child takes 3/4 of the remainder, and the remainder is 3/4. So 3/4 of this. And you know that 3/4 of 4 is the same thing as 3/4 times 3/4. And that is 9/16. That is 9/16. 9/16. 16. That is equals to, let me write that again, 9/16. Okay. So the second child takes 3/4 of the remainder, and the remainder was 3/4. So when we did that, we have 9/16. 9/16. So that is what the second child takes. Now let's see what is remaining. The remainder after the second child takes, the remainder after the second child takes 3 over 4 of the remainders. That is why I just put dot. It means that this statement continues. So the remainder will now be equals to what was remaining after the first child took was 3 over 4 minus what the second child took, which is 9 over 16. 9 over 16. So let's divide this into 2 so that we have enough space. 9 over 16. Now this is a fraction, so let's solve this. This is 16 and this is 4, so this is 16. So 4 we go into 16, we have 4. 4 times 3 rather is 12 minus 16 we go to 16 is 1. 1 times 9 is 9. So that 12 minus 9 is 3. 3 over 16. 3 over 16. Now you see that the remainder now is 3 over 16 after the second child have taken. Therefore, the third child will now be left with 3 over 16, because that is what is left after everybody have taken their share. The first son took his share, the second one took the share, and of course the last child took what is left from what the second left over. So that is the answer to this question. And if you go through the options, okay, I didn't fix options for this question, but the option to these questions are: option A is 3 over 16. Option B is 7 over 16. And option C rather, is 9 over 16. Option D is 13 over 16. 13 over 16. So the correct answer is option A. Correct answer is option A, which is 3 over 16.